Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a dog cake. Now, I have made a cat-themed cake, which I will link up here. However, I've never made a dog cake, and I thought I would make one in the same kind of style and kind of the portrait style, but this time it's going to be a white terrier. Let's get started.
The first thing I made was the ears. I'm decorating a 4-inch round cake dummy, so I tried to get the triangular ears close to the right size for it. Then I frosted the cake dummy and placed the ears on top. Then I pressed 2 balls of black fondant into similarly sized discs and pressed them onto the side of the cake. And I made a triangular nose with 2 nostril holes and set it aside. Then, using a piping bag with white buttercream and a grass tip, I piped a whole bunch of white fur. Just press it against the side of the cake and keep it attached and pull away. I covered the side of the cake, took a short break, and placed the nose on the front, and finished piping on the top, including the back of the ears. Then I rolled out some red fondant and made a bow. If you need a tutorial on how to make a fondant bow, see the link in the card. And I placed it behind the dog's ears. I am officially in love. This cake is adorable. I love the fuzzy ears, the bow, the sweet little face, so cute. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.